Dear YouTube, I make this video because I can't get my salary because my pin is not received. Until now, I can't receive my pin and almost 2 months. Almost 2 months I can't receive my pin. And I'm very afraid na baka English din. I'm very afraid because I can't receive my pay and my payout is on hold and you email to me that there is 4 months only or 3 months only. After 3 months, if I can't receive my pay, you can hold my payout and you can stop my ads on my YouTube for months. You can stop my ads for months. Oh my goodness, please YouTube, don't do that to me because I don't know where is my pin until now. I don't know where is my pin until now because I can't receive. I will back in the post office of San Carlos City, Negros Occidental, where I write the city, where I post the sa man jud pasabot. Sorry YouTube. I understand my English because I'm a Bisaya and I tell the English to you to understand. Until now I can't receive my pin and I'm very afraid because I can't I'm very afraid because after 4 months you can, if the pin I can't receive, you can stop my ads. Please YouTube, don't do that because my house is only unsa gyang haligi. My house is only haligi unsa man yun na only the house is very skinless, very boneless. My house is very boneless, only haligi and sin I buy. I don't have money anymore, everything, and that's why don't stop my ads, ha. Thank you YouTube, hoping you understand to me and hoping you send my pin now because very dugay ba unsa gina di very long ago, long time, very long time ago you can send for only for almost 2 months na almost 2 months. I'm very afraid. Every day I will back in the post office to see the unsa man na to see my Google AdSense or pin, but until now I am not received. I can't receive. I don't know where is my pin through. I don't know where is my pin post. Ug sa Bisaya pa na bawa ko kabalo gasa gibutang ron ako ang kuan pin. Ay Diyos ko, Ginoo ko tabang Lord.